brand new. These are like the racing seats. It's beautiful, I'll tell you that much. We just pulled up at this graduation party, so hey. Congratulations. Do you have any of the options? Because I know they had. Congratulations to the fam right there. So we're out here celebrating graduation of Courtney's son, Cam. So we're gonna go big him up. I just realized you got both the whips out. You got both the whips out.
Oh yeah.
So this is 992 911 Turbo S with the Tech Art kit on it. Dope. That's an inspiration for my Carrera T. That's sick. This is his GTR. We came out in a Ferrari. We gotta check out. Did you drive this?
No, it was B Sam's.
Oh, you was with B Sam's? Okay. So this is B Sam's whip right here. This Z06. This is the new. This is the question of the hour. Is the Z06 a budget Ferrari F8? Now, there's a lot of differences. Oh, we got Biggs over there, too. Don't forget. Man like Biggs. I love this color, though. And I love how the brakes are not that bright yellow. They're like an acid green, yellowish green. I think it got performance springs on it, but it's not that low. Look at the interior. Let me see if we can open it. Okay, we can open it. Yeah, he's got the two-tone blue interior. It's got a little bit of material in it. This is sick. Look at the bright. I don't know if it's new or not. We're gonna have to ask Tree because they're brand new. These are like the racing seats. It's beautiful, I'll tell you that much. But I'll tell you what, one thing, this definitely sounds better than the F8, at least factory. He's got high flow cats on it. So it's probably a little louder now than the F8 over there. So I don't know, man. We're gonna have to get a side-by-side comparison. The F8 should be a little bit faster than the Z06, but this definitely sounds better. Man, Corvette did a good thing by making it mid-engine or, engine in the rear. That thing is sick. If I was to get one, I'd get this color, or I would get black with red calipers and red interior. The black looks really good. So what are we doing today? Not only are we talking about comparison between the Z06, which one would you have? Drop me a comment, Z06 or F8, if they were the same price. Here's the F8, in case you haven't seen it. It's the F8. We're waiting for one more person to show up. I love the F8. But you're gonna pay a little bit more for the F8. So the Z06 is a little bit better bargain, I think, than the F8. But they both got the engines in the back now. Yeah. I hear another Lambo or something. I hear something. There we go. I don't know what that is. Pulling up. There he is. Pulled up at a graduation party. So we had to bring the cars out, support the graduation of Courtney's son. There it is, here's a lineup. Shout out to Cameron. Congratulations on graduating from high school. We'll dedicate this video to you and to Sean's son, Andrew. Congratulations to you as well, Andrew. And yeah, best wishes in the future. And to anybody else that's watching, shout out to you as well. And to any of your family or friends that are graduating high school or college. Shout out to Hamza, just graduated from Ohio State. Man, these kids are getting bigger these days. They outgrowing their parents and everything. So let me get Andrew his little graduation.
There you go.
Congratulations. Dude, look at the Z06, so you can tell us the spec.
Yep.
This is one of the nicest ones I've seen. It's 2020.
2024.
2024.
Yeah, I had a 23 before.
Okay, so he had the 23 before. It was
actually that
similar to this color, right? Excuse me. So this has a camera system?
Yep, it's got a camera system. It's the 3LZ package.
Okay, so that's the top of the line,
Yep,
3LZ.
yep. And it has the carbon fiber wheels. But these are
Oh, these are carbon fiber?
What people don't know is these are actually carbon fiber wheels, but they're painted black.
Oh,
They're carbon fiber.
I did not know that.
Yeah.
All of them are like that? All the ones?
Not all of them.
Okay.
The orange one had exposed carbon fiber.
But
The whole reasoning behind it is if you get exposed carbon fiber, it's more expensive because it's harder to get the weave to line up and look proper when it's exposed.
Okay.
Whereas if you're painting it anyways, the weave doesn't have to be perfect, so it's a little bit less expensive.
So,
It's still carbon fiber.
but I've seen that style of wheel.
Yep.
And is that style of wheel all carbon fiber? Or-
Yes, yeah, this style. I'm sure there are replicas, but if you get it from factory, this style of wheel is carbon.
Okay. So how does it feel compared to your, you said you're 23 or?
23, yeah.
How does it feel?
I love it. It's similar, you know what I mean? It's similar, but I did some exhaust stuff on this. And I
Okay.
actually lowered this one more than I had the orange one lowered. So
Okay, okay.
So it definitely drives right.
So this
These
is,
things are way too high from the factory, so you got to lower them a little bit.
well, he didn't want to quite go as low as me and Brandon.
Oh yeah.
We have the ghetto set up. So what, oh, these have coilovers from the factory?
Yes.
So all you-
the rear are coilovers.
Uh-huh.
But I have front lift, so the front are not coilovers actually.
Oh,
So I
okay.
did lowering springs.
Okay.
on both.
Okay.
Brandon has coilovers on all four corners because he does not have front lift.
Oh,
So then
okay.
he could lower it even lower on with the spring.
That's dope. I didn't know that. So we learned something new today. Did you do any of the options, or did it have any of the options? Because I know they had like different
it
colors.
Has like some, if I turn it on at night, it has like engine lighting.
Oh, okay. It has the engine lighting. Okay.
But yeah, man, I got the high flow cats. Lowered it. I just got it, so I didn't have a chance to do a lot else. I'm probably gonna put an intake on it.
Can you tell the difference with the high flows?
Yeah, for sure. It's definitely
Louder on the inside too, because his Brandon's is pretty loud on the inside. I was kind of surprised. So can we take a look at the inside?
Yeah.
I'll get on this side, or I'll just open it up.
I think it's unlocked.
Yeah. Let me make sure it ain't gonna scrape. Yeah, it's high. Okay, so it's got the two-tone blue.
Yeah, so these are the competition seats because they have better bolstering and stuff. This
Nice.
is actually something that I did not have in the orange one, the competition seats.
Okay.
So they hold you in a lot better.
Okay. It's got a little carbon fiber in them too, right?
Yeah, yep, carbon fiber here. The other stuff on the interior is similar to the orange one. You know what I mean? So
I got a good question for you. You've had a lot of different supercars and stuff.
yeah.
You had when I met you, you had was it a S? No, you got a Huracan first.
yeah.
But then you had an SV.
Yep.
A couple of them.
Two, yes. Yeah,
So how does the Z06? Because this is your second Z06.
yeah.
So you must like something about the car. What is it that you like about the Z06? If
Yeah.
somebody was thinking about getting one.
So I got into like performance driving over the past couple of years, and for the price, the performance you get for the price in this car is pretty much unmatched in my opinion.
So you plan on tracking it?
Yeah. Yep. Mm-hmm.
All right, so I got something to go to the track with you.
Yep.
I got it coming soon.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I don't know if it's gonna sound quite as good as this, but I'm working on it.
Yep.
But yeah, so when we get ready to leave, I'll make sure I find you so that I can hear you when you start it up, because I don't want to cause a commotion with and have a million people coming over.
Yeah.
But congratulations on the new car, man.
Yes, sir.
You definitely deserve it, and we'll have some fun this summer.
Yes, sir.
Z06. And this is something you can get on your regular C8 too, right?
Yes. Yeah.
So Hamza rented one of these, and it had this upgraded Bose system in it, and it's called a Performance Series. And it has like 14 speakers?
14 speakers and a subwoofer. It sounds really good.
It sounds crazy, man. So if you get a C8, get the upgraded sound system because it's worth it. Congratulations to the fam right there. Just graduated. So we just got done with the food vlog. It was an invisible food vlog. I failed again. I tell you, man, you get food around me, man, I forget stuff. But look, we got the cars out here. We're actually gonna go hit a nighttime car meet and get their opinions on the Ferrari versus the Vette. I think for the budget, man, the Vette is hard to beat. What do you guys think, man? Drop a comment. Ooh, got some heat out here under the lights. Man, that color is popping.
The different colors are nice. All of them, I like it.
Got the Skittles out. All we need is a red car or orange.
Yeah. That color of silver looks so sick under the light. Like that matte silver.
Yeah.
That looks sick.
So they got the matte silver GTR. Do you still have your GTR? All right,
No.
so there we got it. The Tariq's car. I got to hear your car. I'm going to follow you over there.
All right.
I want to hear his car. He's got the high flow cats. 200 cell?
No, 200, yeah.
200 cell? Okay, that's what I got on my Porsche. Yeah, buddy. All right, so let's go check out this car show real quick. Car is kept. The F8 was giving them problems on the freeway. I think it's faster than my blue F8. Oh, then let me turn this music off. Yeah, I think we was giving them problems on the freeway. No comment. Yo, listen to that. This sounds like an F1 car. Ah, man, I can't wait to get my GT3 back. Can't wait. Y'all stay tuned for that.